OrganoTherapeutics is a spin-off of the University of Luxembourg from the Luxembourg Center for Systems Biomedicine, which has a focus on Parkinson's disease. So naturally, also our company is focusing on Parkinson's disease. We are located in the south of Luxembourg in Esch-sur-Alzette on a site called Belleval. It has been a former steel cooking site, but now is evolving into a high-tech hub here in Luxembourg, and we are very proud of being part of this development. We are using high-end technology development that came out of our academic labs, which are three-dimensional representations of the human midbrain, so-called midbrain organoids. With these, we are able to recapitulate disease-associated features at a level that was not possible so far. So that puts us in an ideal position now to develop novel therapeutic approaches against Parkinson's disease. Importantly, we not just want to tackle the symptoms like traditional therapies are doing, but we want to develop real curative therapies that stop or slow down the progression of Parkinson's disease.
What we are doing at OrganoTherapeutics is generating mini-brains in the lab, and to do so we start by samples from Parkinson patients, and we induce these cells to become neurons to form a mini-brain. Then we use these mini-brains to screen for different compounds and see which one is behaving better in the context of the genomics of that particular Parkinson patient. We are lucky to have access to a state-of-the-art platform that we use to extract information from these mini-brains. We also have developed over the last years automatic image analysis and machine learning pattern recognition that allows us to classify the results of the information that we extract from these organoids in an automatic manner.
We saw that these midbrain organoids have a reduced amount of dopaminergic neurons, that they have protein aggregates, and that they have a reduced amount of astrocytes. Some of these data were actually published in quite nice journals. And in these papers, we even not only show the phenotypes, but we show that by small molecule treatment, we can even rescue them. So we have quite a bit of proof of concept data that this is indeed a valuable tool for drug discovery. Right now, we have conducted a first screen for small molecules to rescue Parkinson's disease features in midbrain organoids. And at this point in time, we have identified 6 interesting hit compounds.
With the compounds that we have in the pipeline, we've seen an increase in the type of neurons that is affected in Parkinson's disease in our mini-brain models. And this is quite relevant because what we want to do is take this compound further and see if we can see the same effect in patients.
What excites me most about the work that we do at OrganoTherapeutics is really these personalized aspects, that we are able to build a cell culture model that represents what's happened in a particular individual. And the cool thing is that really these organoids recapitulate what's happening in the patient's brain. And I think that puts us in a really unique position to really have an impact for these patients. And that's super exciting.